just any other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Clubhouse is another social app that has been talk of the town. This software allows users to exchange audio recordings rather than text. The firm advertises itself as a new form of voice-based social initiative, in which people from all over the world may communicate. Like other social media apps, Clubhouse gives you a profile that will tell others a little more about you and what you have to offer. Here is a tool that can help you out in making an awesome Clubhouse profile photo. Download and install the app called ApowerSoft Background Eraser from the Play Store or the App Store. Open the app, choose the first tab that can recognize portrait. The app will automatically remove background and show you a transparent result. Tap Background, select Profile to choose the background and ring that you need for your Clubhouse profile photo. And that is how you create a Clubhouse profile photo with the use of ApowerSoft Background Eraser. Thank you for watching.